we will see Swagger. Okay, what is Swagger? Swagger is an open API is used to document REST APIs automatically. What it means, like we no need to document our APIs. Okay, if we use the Swagger means it will automatically document our APIs, like what is the request type, is it a post request or a get request, and no need to mention the URL also, and the payload also. Okay, test APIs from the browser. Okay, we can test our APIs from the Swagger UI. Okay, no need to use the Postman, and it will show us request, response, and parameter and status codes. Okay, the request. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, this is the post API. Okay, as you can able to see, this is the request type and this is the endpoint. Okay, the application is running on port 8081. Okay, simply if I want to test the post API, okay, you have to click on this and you need to click on this try it out. You can able to see the in the parameters the request body is already mentioned. Okay, and the endpoint is mentioned, and the request type, is it a post request or a get request, all is mentioned here, and the URL also. Okay, that's why we can that's how like we can document the REST APIs automatically, and we can test our APIs from the browser, means Swagger UI, and we can, it will show us request, response, and parameter and status codes. Okay, what are all the steps we need to follow to implement the Swagger UI? Okay, first of all we need to add this dependency in the pom.xml. Okay, I have already added the dependency in the pom.xml. You can able to see. Okay, this is the dependency. Okay, and second step is create a configuration class. Okay, you need to create a configuration class. Okay, I have already created the configuration class. Okay, you can able to see, you can create a configuration class in a config package. You can create on config package, and you can create a class name with the Swagger config or anything. Okay, you have to annotate this that class with the @configuration, so that it will become a configuration class for the application, and where we will declare our beans. Okay, and you have to declare @bean annotation, and you have to create one uh, bean. Okay, in the bean, you, in the open API, okay, there is a method called info method. We need to create the object of that info. Okay, and we can mention like title. Okay, here title, we have, I have mentioned user application APIs, and in the description I have mentioned API documentation for a user project. You can give anything as a description, and you can give anything a version. For example, I have provided here 1.0.0. Okay, the title would be, you can able to see the title, right? User application APIs. Okay, and API documentation for a user project, you can able to see as a description. Okay, for this documentation. Okay, and this is the third step. Okay, it is an optional, you can use it. Okay, add on the above the APIs. Okay, you can add it above the API in a controller. Okay, see, I have added it above the post mapping, so I want to describe this API. So operation, and in this we can pass to uh, summary and description. Okay, Summary I have given create new user, okay, and description create a new user with the new details, okay. After adding this, I can describe my API, okay. You can able to see create new user, okay, as a summary, and for the description create a new user with the name and details, okay. क्या होता है अगर हम समरी एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन ऐड कर दिए तो यूज़र को पता चल जाएगा कि ये एपीआई का यूज़ क्या है, ओके। एंड हम अगर एप्लीकेशन का डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड टाइटल दिए तो पता चल जाएगा कि कौन सा वर्जन है, ओके। आई हैव मेंशन्ड हियर 1.0.0 एंड टाइटल एंड समरी आल्सो, ओके। You can able to see, okay, this is the URL, okay. I will mention in the notes, okay. This is the URL, okay. This is the port number where which your application running on, and you need to and write the swagger UI and index.html slash, okay. If I will use this, okay, it will open to the it will open this page, okay. If I want to try the post API, so I have to click on this, okay. You need to click on this try it out, and you can give a value, for example ss1 email ss1 at the rate gmail.com, okay, and ss1 at, okay. You need to execute this, okay. You can able to see I got the 200 success code, okay. You can able to see in the database also earlier there is a no ss1 data, so I have added the ss1 data, okay. The id is 5, so I can get this by using the get API, okay. You need to click on this try it out. If I will mention 5, it will return the fifth user information. As we can able to see in the response body, it has written me the user 5 details, okay. In my application there is only 2 APIs, so here it is only showing 2 APIs. If you have 10 APIs, it will show all the 10 APIs, okay. As you can able to see, I have only post mapping, this save user and get user for a demo, okay. If you have a 10 APIs, it will show or it will document all the 10 APIs here, okay. This is all about the Swagger. Thank you.